Good morning, students. So we'll start today chapter number 10, class 6 maths, that is basic geometrical ideas in two dimension. 2D means two dimension. Okay. So the first point is point. Point is basically a location on the space, like that. It identifies one location in the space, that is particular space, and it identifies a space, that is called point, and it is denoted by a capital letter, like any capital letter A, B, C, D, any other symbol you can use, like alphabets or the special symbols. Okay. The next part is our line. Line has no finite length. It can be extended in both direction. It is a combination of points, just like infinite points are there, that makes a line, and it has no fixed length. It has no fixed length, and it can be extended both directions. Like we can extend this line in this direction and this direction also. Okay, so this is called a line. Okay, another point is a ray. Ray has one starting point and it can be extended in one direction endlessly, like that. It is a starting point of ray, and either we can extend this side, or like that the another way is that this side. Okay, so we can name that like A, and this is B. So this is the starting point. These two are the starting points of the ray, and this is ray AB and this is ray BC. So this this is called ray AB because this goes to the direction B, in the direction B, and this is called ray BC, that goes to the direction C. And we can denote a ray by like in the first ray AB, like this, in which direction the ray is going on, that direction we need to apply. In this case BC, so BC, so the rays goes to the C direction, so that's why BC. Here the line, how we will represent the line? Line will be represented like that, AB, and we can make the arrow of the line. Okay, so this is called line, that can be represented like that, the ray in one direction. Another point is line direction, line segment. Line segment is a part of a line that has a fixed length and two end points, So like this is a line segment. It has two end point and it has a finite length. We can measure it by the help of a ruler or scale, you can say. Okay, so line segment basically have fixed length. It has two end points and it can be drawn on paper. Okay, because it has fixed length, and we can measure its length with the help of ruler and or scale. Okay, next is a plane figure. Okay, plane figure is a like that, a combination of points that can be represented on a particular surface, like that. This is a plane figure. I should remove these points. Wait a second. So just like here, this is a plane figure. We can draw any figure here that called be a plane figure. It is a combination of points. Okay, it is a combination of points because many points are included in this figure, and it is drawn on the surface, so it is called a plane figure. Basically two-dimensional figure. One dimension is that side horizontal and one is a vertical direction. So this is called the two-dimensional figure because it has one line at vertical end and one line at horizontal end. Okay, so this is called a plane figure. Okay, like these are the one-dimensional figures because it has only one direction, either this or this. Okay, so it has only one direction. Now the next is open and closed figure. Listen very carefully. What is open figure? Okay, a figure that start and end with the different points. That start and end with different points. Like that, I have made this figure. Okay, so the starting point of the figure is this A, and the ending point of this figure is B. That is called open figure. Means it is called open figure. Okay. The next is closed figure. Okay, closed figure means that starting and ending point of a figure has a same point, like that. I have started a figure from here, then move here, then here, and again ended with this point. So this is the same point where we have started and where we comes to an end. So this is called a closed figure. Like another figure, one more figure I am drawing here, like that. This I have started from here and also come to an end on this point. So this is called a closed figure. Okay. So these are the points. One more time I am repeating. First is point, that is any location on the plane, it called a point. It is represented by capital letters. Next is line. Line is a collection of points that can be extended endlessly in both directions. It has no finite length and that can be represented by A on the symbol of line on the side of the point. Okay. Next is ray. Ray has one end point and it can be extended in endlessly in one direction only. Okay. Line can be extended two directions, both directions, or ray is extended only one direction. Okay. Like it can be represented like that. Now next is line segment. Line segment is a part of a line that has a fixed length and we can measure it with the help of ruler, and it can be represented like AB, only bar, no symbol, only bar is there. Okay. So that is called a line segment. Next is a plane figure. A figure that can be drawn with the help of horizontal and vertical lines, that is called a plane figure, like we have drawn this figure. Okay. Next, open figure. A figure that start and end with different points, that is called an open figure, like A and B. These are the two different points. It starts from the A and ended to the B. That is called an open figure. Okay. Next is closed figure. Closed figure is a figure which start and end with the same point, like that. This is a closed figure. Okay. These two are the closed figure.